I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need iPad OS 14 or newer and your device unlocked. Once confirmed, begin immediately. Long press an empty area or any app icon until apps jiggle. Once done, look for and tap the blue plus button at the top left to open the widget gallery. This is the only starting point to add widgets to the home screen or Today view. Make sure to keep holding briefly until the interface fully responds, because premature taps can close the gallery and force you to restart the step. In the widget gallery, browse or use the search bar to find the app you want. Once selected, swipe through size options, small, medium, large, and observe the live preview so you know what content appears. Each size displays different data density and layout. Choose one that matches your home screen space. After selecting the size, tap Add Widget and it will appear in jiggle mode on your home screen. Make sure to drag it where you want it before finalizing placement, because location affects quick access and visibility. Drag the widget to your desired spot. You can drop it onto another widget of the same size to create a stack for swiping through multiple widgets. Once satisfied, tap Done or press the Home button to exit jiggle mode. This finalizes placement. To edit later, long press a widget and choose Edit Widget. If a widget fails to appear, make sure the app supports widgets, update iPad OS, restart the iPad, and as a last resort reset home screen layout. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.